Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Cree, also known as Creative91, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do mini twists. I have already done the back of my hair, so now I'm moving on to the front and I'm applying the same technique. I'm starting my hair off on freshly washed and blow dried hair, and I'm using my fingers and the comb to part into sections. The comb I use for the major sections and my fingers I use for the smaller sections. The parting doesn't have to be perfect. No one's really going to see those small sections anyway. Throughout this process, I'm using two types of combs. I'm using a rat tail comb to part, and I'm using the wide tooth comb to detangle my hair. It's just easier to use the wide tooth comb for my particular hair type. My hair is pretty coily, so the wide tooth comb does help to remove a lot of the tangles with ease. As I begin twisting my hair, I actually flat twist along the edges. This just helps me to grip the hair and be able to lay it down better. So just for the front, I do the flat twist, and throughout the rest of my hair, I just do regular twists. I forgot to mention the products that I'm using. So the products that I'm using in this tutorial is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line from Shea Moisture. I've actually been using this line for the last 5 years. It's my favorite of all time. I feel like these are the best products ever, and they really lock in the moisture. I utilize the lock method to put my moisturizer in my hair. So I put the liquid in first, then the oil and the cream. This just ensures that the moisturization is locked into the hair for the entire duration of the hairstyle, which is awesome. I'm using the olive oil edge control just to lay down my edges as I flat twist the front. I only use it on the front of my hair, not the rest of it. By the rest of my hair, I mean the sections in the back and the sections underneath, but I do put the edge control on the sections near major parts of my hair. That's because that part of the hair will be exposed, and I want that to look neat as well. At this point in my twisting process, I'm about 6 hours into it. It takes me quite a long time to do these small twists, but like I said, the benefit of these is I get to wear it for the whole month, which is great. So, dance break. Hey, get it? Hey, get it? What? Whoop, whoop. Another section of hair is done. Feeling quite pleased. It's probably been around 8 hours at this point. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling it, but I'm going to keep going until I finish. People often ask me, how did my hair get so long? is because I usually do protective styles like twists or braids, and it's definitely a lot of work. Like sometimes it's not easy to sit there and work on my hair for that long, but it's definitely worth it. Like I've seen results. I've started from short hair, about collarbone length when I started my hair journey, and look at me now. So it's definitely worth it. And here are the results. I am finally done. Voila! I just took my mini twist and I did a cute little style by taking the two sections in the front of my hair and I put them in buns, and I really like how it came out. And then I added some hair accessories just to jazz it up a little bit. So thanks guys so much for coming to my YouTube channel and watching my hair tutorial. I really appreciate it. And I'm definitely going to be posting more hair videos soon, so definitely subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.
Okay.